If you've been curious about AI but don't know where to start, or if you want to go from using AI tools to actually building your own smart apps, you're going to want to hear this. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at 5 top Udemy courses that cover everything from the basics of ChatGPT and generative AI to building full AI projects, mastering machine learning, working with large language models, and diving deep into advanced tools like LangChain and Hugging Face. If you're ready to go beyond the hype and actually get hands-on with AI, this breakdown will help you figure out which course fits you best and what you'll be learning along the way. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive right in. 1. The Complete AI Guide. Learn ChatGPT, generative AI, and more. If you've been hearing all the buzz about AI but still feel a little lost on where to begin, this course is made for you. Whether you're looking to save time, grow a business, or just see what all the hype is about, they'll walk you through it all in a simple, no-fluff way that actually makes sense. What you'll learn. You'll learn how to make AI work for you, not the other way around. You'll start with the basics of how tools like ChatGPT think and build all the way up to advanced tricks for writing, automating, creating content, and even running a business using AI. I'll show you exactly how I use over 50 different AI tools in real life, from generating scripts, writing full blog posts, and building full-on marketing campaigns, to making content in minutes that used to take hours. This course is practical, hands-on, and surprisingly easy once you get the hang of it. You'll get super comfortable using ChatGPT, building killer prompts, combining tools together to create videos, automate workflows, and even build AI-powered side hustles. You'll be surprised how fast it starts to click once you see how these tools really work together. Course features. This course includes over 33 hours of video tutorials, tons of downloadable templates and cheat sheets, and regular updates with the latest tools and features, so it always stays current. Whether you're on your laptop or mobile, you'll be able to access it anytime, anywhere. There's also closed captions, audio descriptions, and a certificate of completion once you're done. Basically, you're getting a complete toolkit and guide that grows with you as AI keeps evolving. Course requirements. No need for coding knowledge or any kind of tech background. You don't even need to know what AI really is. You'll cover it all from scratch. All you need is curiosity and the willingness to try things out. I have made this beginner-friendly, with step-by-step guidance and real-world examples that make things click fast. Why this course? Because most people talk about AI like it's this mysterious future thing, but it's already here and way easier to use than you think. I've already been using these tools in real work, building presentations, writing articles, generating voiceovers and videos, automating parts of my business, even making content for clients. Once you learn it, it genuinely feels like having a team of assistants working behind the scenes. This course isn't about theory or just watching someone talk, it's about doing. It's packed with demos, real projects, and shortcuts that'll help you save hours every week. And with all the latest 2025 updates already in, you're not learning old tools. You're getting the newest and most useful stuff right now. Whether you're here to save time, launch something new, or just explore what's possible, this course makes AI feel approachable, exciting, and actually useful. Okay, let's talk about course number 2. Artificial Intelligence A to Z. Learn how to build an AI. If you have been curious about how AI actually works, beyond the headlines and buzzwords, this course breaks it all down in a way that's easy to follow, fun to build with, and seriously powerful. Whether you want to build your own AI assistant, create a self-driving car simulation, or train a chatbot that sounds like it knows what it's talking about, this is where it all starts. And don't worry if you're not some math genius or coding wizard. If you've got basic Python and you remember a bit of high school algebra, you're good to go. What you'll learn. This course takes you from understanding how AI thinks to actually coding it from scratch, step by step. You'll build 7 full AIs, from a warehouse optimization bot to a self-driving car, even a kung fu fighter. You'll work with everything from simple Q learning to advanced deep learning models like PPO and SEC. But it's not just about reinforcement learning. You'll also learn how to work with powerful generative AI tools like LLMs, fine-tune models like Llama 2, and even understand new techniques like LoRa and quantization. It's real-world problem-solving with real-world tools, taught in a way that doesn't feel overwhelming. Course features. You're not just watching code fly by on a screen, you're coding right along from a blank page. You'll build every AI model using Google Colab, so you don't need to worry about installing anything. There's 15+ hours of content, plus extra AI builds, templates, and a full bonus course on Gen AI and LLMs when you finish. You'll also get help when you need it. There's a support team ready to answer your questions within 48 hours. Course requirements. All you really need is basic Python and some general understanding of high school math. No advanced background required. You'll focus on building your intuition first, so the ideas click before you dive into any complex stuff. You'll get a feel for what each part of the model does and why it matters before writing any code. Why this course? Because it doesn't just teach you what AI is, it shows you how to build it yourself. You'll walk away with hands-on experience, downloadable code templates you can reuse, and a deep understanding of how today's most powerful AI techniques actually work. This isn't a watch and forget kind of course. It's for people who want to learn by doing, and maybe even build something cool along the way. Whether you're a student, a developer, or just someone who's excited about where tech is going, this course gives you the foundation to start creating right now. Alright, moving on. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. 3. Machine Learning A to Z, AI, Python, and R. If you've ever wanted to dive into machine learning, but felt overwhelmed by all the complex math, code, and theory, this course is your shortcut. It's designed to take you from zero to fully confident, even if your only background is high school math. And the best part, you get to choose your weapon, Python or R, or both if you're feeling bold. What you'll learn. This course walks you through everything step by step, from data cleaning to building real models that actually work. You'll learn how to predict trends, understand customer behavior, make smart decisions based on data, and even build deep learning systems or chatbots. Whether it's regression, classification, clustering, or reinforcement learning, you'll get there in a way that actually makes sense. You won't just memorize the algorithms, you'll actually understand what they're doing and why they work. Course features. It's all about learning by doing. You're not just passively watching videos, you'll be coding right along with the instructors using tons of hands-on exercises. Every concept you learn is immediately backed by a real-world use case, so it sticks. You'll get access to over 42 hours of lessons, downloadable code templates in both Python and R, and a bunch of real projects you can actually show off. And to top it off, once you finish, there's a special bonus course on ChatGPT and generative AI waiting for you. Course requirements. You don't need a PhD to take this course. If you've got some high school math under your belt and you're comfortable with basic logic, you're ready to go. Coding isn't a must-have to start either. They'll guide you through the syntax and show you how to write powerful machine learning code with ease. Why this course? Because it's not about watching someone else build cool stuff, it's about building it yourself. This course is taught by two real data scientists who know how to break things down and make them actually stick. You'll walk away not just with knowledge, but with confidence and a bunch of projects you can use to impress your boss, start a portfolio, or even launch a new career in tech. Whether you want to change your job, level up your current role, or just finally understand what all the AI hype is about, this course is the best place to start. That's it, folks. Let's look at the next one. 4. LLM Engineering, Master AI and Large Language Models and Agents. So you've been hearing all the hype about ChatGPT, agents, and AI models that write code, talk, listen, and even build apps. But where do you start if you actually want to build that kind of tech? This course walks you through it all, step by step, by actually building real apps from scratch, no fluff. just hands-on experience with some of the most powerful AI tools out there today. What you'll learn. Over 8 weeks, you'll go from someone who's just curious about generative AI to someone who's deploying full-blown LLM applications. You'll build tools that generate brochures by scraping websites, customer support bots that handle images and voice, and even an AI assistant that listens to meetings and writes your notes for you. You'll learn how to take open-source models and fine-tune them to compete with the big players. And yes, you'll even create agents that can make smart decisions on their own. By the end, you'll not only know how to use tools like RAG, LoRa, and LangChain, you'll own them. Course features. This course is 100% project-based. That means you're not just watching theory videos, you're actually building 8 powerful apps with real-world use cases. Each project builds your skill set while introducing you to tools used in production like Hugging Face, Gradio, and the major LLM APIs. You'll experiment with more than 20 different models and get hands-on experience with both closed and open-source tech. Every week introduces something new: transformers, fine-tuning, multimodal systems, agents, you name it. And by the end, you'll have a portfolio to show off. Course requirements. You should be pretty comfortable with Python, because you won't be reviewing the basics. That's really all you need to get started. A Mac, Linux, or Windows computer with internet access is totally fine. And if you want to test out paid APIs, the course authors suggest having a few bucks ready. But honestly, you can complete the entire course using only open-source tools if you prefer. Why this course? Because AI is changing fast, and most tutorials out there are already outdated or too focused on theory. This course is different. It's fast, hands-on, and up-to-date with the latest breakthroughs. You'll go from wondering how people build AI apps to confidently building your own, from scratch. Whether you want to launch a product, transition into an AI role, or just learn how all this stuff actually works, this course gives you the skills, projects, and real-world knowledge to make it happen. You'll walk away with 8 real apps, a deep understanding of modern AI workflows, and a legit edge in the job market. And finally, here's the last course on my list. Generative AI with LangChain and Hugging Face complete course. So maybe you've been playing around with ChatGPT or heard people talking about AI that writes stories, chats like a human, or even builds entire apps. Sounds exciting, right? But here's the thing. Those cool tools are just the tip of the iceberg. If you really want to get behind the curtain and actually build this kind of AI, this course is for you. They are not just showing you how to prompt a chatbot, they are taking you deep into how it all works and how to create your own custom AI projects using LangChain and Hugging Face. What you'll learn. This course starts at the roots of generative AI and grows with you. You'll learn what generative models really do, how LangChain connects everything together, and how Hugging Face gives you access to some of the most powerful models in the world. Pretty quickly, you'll move from theory to practice, building apps like smart chatbots, content generators, and tools that can pull in real-time info from the web or databases. You'll also learn how to take all of that and deploy it to the cloud or local servers. So it's not just a fun demo, something that actually runs in the real world. Course features. This isn't one of those watch and hope you get it kind of courses. It's hands-on from the jump. You'll be building actual apps, working through real-life use cases, and learning by doing. The course instructors will guide you through customizing Hugging Face models, hooking them into LangChain, setting up RAG pipelines. Those are systems that make your AI smarter by letting it search and retrieve info, and then deploying everything for the world to use. By the end, you won't just understand AI, you'll own your own AI stack. Course requirements. You do need to be a little comfortable with Python. The course doesn't cover the basics of loops or functions, so if you've coded before, you're good to go. You'll also want to know a bit about how APIs work, and if you've heard of machine learning or deep learning, even better. But don't worry if you're not a full-on AI pro. Everything is explained in a simple, straightforward way with no academic fluff. Why this course? Because AI is moving fast. And if you're only learning from blog posts or short tutorials, you're probably already behind. This course is up to date, built for real-world projects, and actually prepares you to use generative AI the way companies are using it right now. Whether you want to launch a product, land a job in AI, or just stop feeling lost when people talk about LangChain and Hugging Face, This is your roadmap. You'll walk away with a deep understanding of how modern AI apps are built and the confidence to start creating your own. Final thoughts. Alright, that's a wrap on these 5 Udemy courses that can take you from AI newbie to builder. Whether you want to just understand the basics, dive into coding your own AI projects, or master advanced tools like LangChain and Hugging Face, there's something here for everyone. If you're serious about learning AI and want to get hands-on, I definitely recommend checking out one of these courses. They all come with great projects and real-world examples that make learning fun and practical. Now, I want to hear from you. Which course sounds the most interesting to you? Or maybe you've already tried one? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts or questions. I'll be hanging out in the comments to chat with you. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.